All right, so we're in Adobe Illustrator and we're going to divide a circle into multiple parts. So I'm going to get my ellipse tool, hold shift, and that'll get me a perfect circle. And for now, I'm going to ditch the color so we can see this. All right, so I'm going to grab the direct select tool over here, and that gives me the ability to select portions of it. See that? I'm selecting that anchor point and that anchor point. So I'm going to select just this quarter of it right there. I'm going to hit copy and paste. And now I've got the quarter. And I do have smart guides on. You see those pink guides that pop up every so often here? You're going to want those on. To turn those on, you go here. So go up to view and pull down to smart guides. And then, so now that you have this, very simple, you're just going to hit the pen tool. I don't see where it is. Oh, it's up there now. They moved it. And so click on this. It lights up. Give it a click. Pull down, and it's going to align. See that? I'm not even holding shift, but shift will give you a straight line. So if you just hold shift, you will have definitely a straight line. So hold it till you got the pink going up and sideways, and click that way, and now the boom, you have it. And so now you've got your portion, a quarter. And then if you want to get more, you see I'm switching back here to this direct select tool. So you'll see there's an anchor point there, there, and there. So if you wanted to cut this in half, you need to add another anchor point. So we'll do that real quick. Click on this, go up to Object, Path, Add Anchor Points, and there it is. It did add. I was on the wrong tool. So yeah, you can only see it after you have to select it with the direct selection tool. So now I have that. So now I can grab this. Well, I guess it's an eighth, but this section. I'm going to hit Control C V. So I copy and pasted it, and now you can even bring it back here and click it right up to the corner. Gonna get my pen tool again, and then go here. See it's snapping with the smart guides. And now click over here, and there's that guy. So, and then you could put it in here if you're making a chart of some kind. Boom, it's right there. And then, get your pie chart on. So that's how you, create sections of the circle. I hope that helps. Let me know if it did.